Welcome. You didn't come here to escape your past. You came to evolve beyond it. You're not here to fix yourself. You're here to remember who you truly are. This meditation is a bridge from old patterns to new embodiment, from past pain to present power, from shadow to light, from surviving to creating. So take a moment to get comfortable. You can sit upright or lie down. Whatever allows your body to feel fully relaxed. Let this be your sacred space. A space of trust, of safety, of transformation. Let's begin. Close your eyes. Place one hand over your heart and one over your belly. Feel the rise and fall with each breath. Let your breath slow down, deepen, and guide you inward. Inhale, calm. Exhale, release. Inhale into your belly. Exhale, soften your chest. Inhale into your heart. Exhale, let go of the day. Let your shoulders melt. Let your jaw relax. Let your eyes rest gently. Now, imagine a soft, golden light above your head. It begins to gradually pour down over you like a warm sunlight. It flows over your scalp, down your forehead, relaxing your temples, your eyebrows, and your cheeks. This light melts any tension in your face. Let it travel down your neck and shoulders. Feel your shoulders drop, heavy and supported. Now let the light move down your arms, all the way to your hands and fingertips. Let it flow through your chest, down your spine, through your belly, hips, and thighs. It travels all the way down your legs, knees, and feet. You are wrapped in this light, protected, held, grounded. Now, bring your mind to a version of yourself you've been working to heal. Maybe it's the you who felt abandoned or not good enough. The one who was rejected, betrayed, or misunderstood. See them. They are not wrong. They are not broken. They are not your enemy. They were doing the best they could with what they believed about life, with what they believed about you. Let this version of yourself come forward. Gently, lovingly. You're going to speak with them with compassion. Say silently or aloud, I see you. I honor your journey. I know you are trying to protect me, but I no longer need protection from my own power. I forgive the pain. I release the weight. And I carry forward the wisdom. Now, imagine hugging this version of you. Thank them, love them, then watch them dissolve into the light. And let that light flow back into your heart. You're whole again, even more whole than before. Now take another deep breath and see a doorway in front of you. This is not just any door. This is the entrance to your future self. The version of you who already lives in your ideal life. They already embody the peace, abundance, confidence, and clarity you've been calling in. They are already aligned. They are already walking in power. When you're ready, open the door and step through. What do you see? Where are you? Are you in a home? The home you've always wanted? Are you surrounded by people who love and support you? Are you working your dream job or business? Flowing in your purpose? Take it all in. Now look around until you see you, your future self, your highest self. Look at how they walk. Look at how they speak. Feel the energy in the room. Confident, calm, peaceful. That's you. And now, they look at you and smile. They've been waiting for you to show up. Take a moment and step into their body. Feel yourself merge, click into place. You are now aligned with the you who already has what you desire. With your hand on your heart, repeat after me. I am no longer chasing my future. I am living it. I no longer over-identify with my wounds. I am walking reminded of what's possible. I embody my power. I embody my purpose. I embody my peace. My future self is me now. And I lead my life with clarity, courage, and love. Let these words sink in. Let them become part of your frequency. This is your new baseline, your new identity. You are no longer trying to become. You already are. Now, gradually return your awareness to your breath. Feel your chest rise and fall. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel your body supported by the surface beneath you. And when you're ready, take one more deep breath in and exhale slowly. Begin to open your eyes. But remember, you're not returning to your old self. You're returning to your future self. You don't need to wait. You don't need permission. You are already living it. Closing affirmation. The more I embody my future, the less I repeat my past. Thank you so much. Peace and abundance, always.